Hello, my charmed ones! Today I want to show you how I've created my 2022 vision board. So if you're curious about creating a planner-friendly vision board to help you achieve your goals in 2022, then stay tuned. The first thing you will need to create your vision board are your 2022 goals. Last month, I set my goals with my mastermind, and they're all laid out inside the 2022 You Got Goals planner, so I pulled her out for reference. But that is step one for vision board creation. You have to have your goals set so you know what you need to actually put inside of your vision board. Next, I have a piece of cardstock paper. So I'm creating a disc-bound friendly version. So I also have my paper trimmer and my disc-bound punch to assist me with prepping the cardstock. So if you use a different type of planner binding, switch out this step for the punch that goes with your binder. Now, I like my vision board to be a fold out, and I like it to fit nicely in my planner and not stick out too much. So I need to trim like an inch off of the length, and then I can go ahead and punch it before folding it roughly in half. So once the paper is folded, I have a canvas for my vision board, and it's 4 total pages, which I really like because that gives me plenty of space to lay out all of my images. The next tool I'm using to help build this vision board is the 2022 Vision Board Builder PDF that I create for my mastermind. It's essentially a printable PDF with different elements like words, affirmations, shapes, and different graphics that assist you in building a solid board for yourself. Now, I print my vision board builder out on full sheet sticker paper because I just want to be able to cut and stick my images onto the page. So I also grabbed a pair of scissors, and I'm keeping my paper trimmer around just in case I need it, but I didn't end up needing it much in the course of this process. The final element I need are some additional graphics that represent my goals for 2022. For this, I created a full-page sheet of images, some of which are my own pictures and some are images I found online that inspire me. I formatted this in Photoshop and again printed it out on sticker paper. And in addition to these graphics, later on in the video, you're going to see that I pull out some of my favorite stickers to help fill in areas of the board where there are gaps wherever necessary. Once I have all my supplies assembled, I get started cutting out the elements that I like and laying them out on the page. I really like the way my 2021 vision board was structured, so I used that as my overall template. But this year I had slightly different goals and new images to use, so it's honestly like putting together a little puzzle for yourself. I recommend cutting out all the elements you think you want to include and then laying them out on the page to make sure you like what you're creating before you start either gluing them or sticking them in my case. As you're working on your vision board, I definitely recommend starting with the larger elements first and getting those to fit, and then you can find room for smaller elements that may easily overlap larger images if you like that look. And obviously, I'm grouping my goals together. So the images that belong to one goal are pretty much in the same area, but there are some pages that represent multiple goals as well. So luckily for me, these images are all on sticker paper, like I said, and it's repositionable sticker paper. So when I mess up, and you can see that I do a number of times, I can easily take the image off using either my nails or, pro tip here, use a needle nose tweezer. So grab a pair of those two if you're working with stickers like I am, because they come in handy to help lift the stickers off with minimal damage. Something you may notice as my vision board comes together is that I personally don't write out every single goal. I tend to rely more on the images themselves to speak what the goal is, because that's the point of the vision board, right? To be the vision, not the words. And the vision is intended to evoke a specific feeling, and that feeling helps us to get our thoughts and actions in alignment with the goal. So although I do use some words and list out some goals, my board is much more focused on what that goal looks like to me and how I expect to see it manifest in my life. But I do love my little affirmations from the Vision Board Builder, so I do cut out many of those and I put them with the goals that they best support. Now, if there's a final word of wisdom I could leave with you in this video, it's that when it comes to your vision board, the only one it has to make sense to is you. So don't compare your board to other people's boards, because comparison is the quickest way to lose motivation and momentum on your goals any day of the week. So here is my 2022 vision board, mostly complete. I do still need to write in a few goals into the blank spaces, but this is my board overall. I hope this video inspired you to create your own vision board for 2022 and gave you a process to follow if you're like me and would prefer to have your vision board inside your planner so that you can see it and use it every day, which is the most important part of having a vision board, actually using it to inspire, motivate, and reprogram your subconscious to get out of your own way so you can achieve all your goals. Let me know what you think about this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. For more of the behind the scenes of my productivity life and business, make sure you're following me on Instagram at MissTrenchcoat. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button for more awesome videos by me. And until next time, bye-bye.